Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious dry spice shrimp. This is so flavorful and the shrimp cook super fast in this fragrant blend of aromatic spices. If you enjoy fajitas, then you'll love this dish. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients. 2 pounds of prawns, peeled and deveined. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1 medium yellow onion, 1 clove of garlic, 1 green chili, 1 inch of ginger finely grated, 2 teaspoons of dry spice mix. The recipe is in the link in the description. 1 bell pepper, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander. Begin by giving your onion a medium dice, like this. Notice I cut the onion into thirds horizontally before cutting it vertically. Be careful to keep your fingers out of the way while cutting horizontally. Next, we'll finely chop our clove of garlic. Using more for this recipe will make it overpowering. Next, slice your dry chili. Next, finely chop the ginger. Next, cut the bell pepper into bite-sized pieces, like this. Wash and dry the cilantro, and give it a quick chop. Next, peel and devein your shrimp. Now let's get cooking. Begin by placing the pan over medium heat and drizzling in your oil. Once it's warm, add the onions and begin frying until they develop some golden brown color. This will take about 10 minutes. Next, add the chili. Once they are golden brown, add the ginger. Follow that with the garam masala and the dry spice mix. Then add a bell pepper. Lastly, add the shrimp and give everything a good stir. As the shrimp finish cooking, add in the garlic. You may need to add a very small amount of water and place the lid on. I'm talking like a teaspoon or 2. But be careful because adding more than this will make the dish too wet and will change the texture of everything. I kind of like to think of these like Desi Fajitas. They're very similar and they have a very similar texture as well. And there you have it. This goes perfectly with some basmati rice or naan to make what I like to call a Desi fajita. I hope you enjoy this video and I'll see you next time. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you found this video useful. Thanks.